How to fix Snapchat support code SS06 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to your Play Store or App Store depending on what device you have. And then from there, click on the search bar and then search for Snapchat. Now once you're in here, you can see an update button, then just update that. But you can also uninstall that and click on install again in order to reset your Snapchat. Now once you have done resetting your Snapchat, what you can do next is to just long press your Snapchat, click on app info, and then from in there just scroll down until you can see the storage usage. And then from in there, just click on clear cache, and click on manage space, and then delete the app data of Snapchat. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Snapchat support code SS06 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.